Wait, just a second. Don't scroll, because what you're about to see was captured millions of miles away, on Mars. And when people started looking closer, they noticed something that doesn't quite fit. And the strangest part, no one has a clear answer. Let's start with the stunning image. On Earth, rocks are just rocks. But on Mars, rocks are data. Every crack, every layer, every grain of dust is a record of millions, sometimes billions of years. Planetary scientists study these details using a field called planetary geology. And here's the truth. You don't need oceans to prove water existed. You just need patterns. And Mars is full of patterns. Flat, thin rock layers are not random. They form slowly, patiently, over time. This process is linked to a concept called sedimentary rock formation. On Earth, this happens in lakes, rivers, and shallow seas. Fine particles settle down, one layer at a time. Now imagine that happening on Mars, not for days, not for years, but for thousands, even millions of years. That means Mars once had stability, not chaos, not destruction, but calm environments where water could exist for long periods. Mars wasn't always a desert. In fact, early Mars may have looked more like Earth than we think. Warmer temperatures, thicker atmosphere, flowing water. These conditions existed during a period scientists call Noachian period. This was over 3.7 billion years ago, and during this time, Mars had everything needed for habitability. Not life confirmed, but the possibility of life. Now let's talk about the surface itself. Mars is covered in fine dust called regolith. This dust is shaped by wind, radiation, and temperature swings. Over time, rocks break down into smaller particles. This process is known as weathering. But Mars has no rain, no flowing rivers today. So what's causing this? Extreme temperature changes, constant bombardment by One of the biggest goals of modern Mars missions is to search for organic molecules. These are carbon-based compounds, the building blocks of life. Not life itself, but a critical step toward it. Perseverance is specially designed for this mission. It drills into rocks, collects samples, and seals them in tubes. These samples are planned to be returned to Earth in the future. Why? Because Earth has advanced labs that can detect even the tiniest traces of past biology. If life ever existed on Mars,